All right, business owners, listen up. AI automation is changing the game, and if you're not on board yet, you're missing out big time today. I'm diving into how you can revolutionize your business with AI automation. Let's get to it. First, let's talk about customer service. Imagine having a chatbot that handles customer queries 24/7, giving instant responses and freeing up your team's time for more critical tasks. That's the power of AI, folks. Next, let's discuss data analysis. AI can sift through massive amounts of data in no time, providing you with actionable insights. Think about the time saved and the precision in decision-making. It's like having a superpower for your business. Now, how about marketing? AI can personalize your marketing campaigns from targeted ads to email marketing. AI tailors content to your audience's preferences. Result? Higher engagement and conversion rates. Inventory management is another area where AI shines. Predictive analytics can forecast demand, ensuring you never run out of stock or overstock. This means more efficiency and less waste. Let's not forget workflow automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks like scheduling, invoicing, and even payroll. Imagine the boost in productivity. All right, so how do you get started? Begin by identifying areas in your business that can benefit from automation. Then research AI tools tailored to those needs. There are countless platforms out there. From customer service bots to advanced analytics tools, invest in training for your team to ensure a smooth transition. Remember, the goal is to work smarter, not harder. Embrace AI automation and watch your business reach new heights. So what are you waiting for? Start your AI journey today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on revolutionizing your business. See you next time.